Hey guys, welcome back with another meme coin on Solana blockchain. This meme coin called SLERF. It has been launched 2 days ago and did 50x the first 2 hours and now trading at, let's see here, trading at 0.72. And the volume was, when at the first 2 hours, it was 1.2 billion. Most of meme coins don't have a use case like guys, but there is more hype. That's why it's pumping. And we talked yesterday about a book of meme, and now I find out a new opportunity here called SLERF. This coin start like 2 days ago, I said, and it start with 0.01 or 0.0019 and reach all-time high of $1.48. Let's do some calculation here and see how much percentage went up. Let's go here and we're gonna put here 0.00019 and here 148. Look at guys here, calculation, it did 70. Oh my goodness, this is crazy. 778,847 percentage. This is crazy guys. So a lot of guys did a lot of money of this meme coin. Look at the website here. Yeah, it's like another meme coin. There is nothing much here, only pictures like normal like websites. And if you wanna go to their Telegram here and their Twitter, let's go to their Twitter right now. They have 87,000 followers already. It has been here for 3 days, I think. It says here 100% in the liquidity and circulation, no team token. And this is the address for token if you guys interested to jump in. This is not a financial advice. I'm just sharing with you guys some meme tokens that maybe gonna pump in the future and we're gonna make some money. I did buy some of it yesterday when it was 0.60, now it's 0.72, and I even add some this morning because I'm seeing a good opportunity on this coin, because there is a lot of hype with this coin. Like if you go to the YouTube, you can see here everybody is talking about it, everybody is bullish, and everybody is saying that they're gonna go up again. Because if we go back to the chart, to the 15-minute chart right now, you can see here it pumped and then it went down, because usually people are taking profit, and it did pump again, going all the way to $1.22, and it go down, doing some correction now, and everybody expecting to go up again anytime soon, maybe today, tomorrow, we don't know. You know, this is cryptocurrency. It could go up in a minute and it could go down in a minute. The market cap for it is $360 million and the liquidity is $126 million. And look at here how many holders, 7,900. And there is something crazy happened to this coin before the launch. What happened before the launch? They did a pre-sale, and everybody who participate in the pre-sale, he has to send some tokens to a wallet like this. They're gonna get airdrops. So what happened? They accumulate $10 million, guys, $10 million. And what happened? The dev did a mistake and burned all $10 million. Believe it or not. I don't know if it was a mistake or marketing for this project, but it was a good marketing. If this is a marketing for this project, and it wasn't a mistake. And look at here, what happened now, they're trying to get some money from the exchanges, because if you go here to the market, you can see here it's in almost 15 exchanges. So they're trying to get some money from the exchanges, and trying to give back to the guys who participate in the pre-sale. If you go to their Twitter here, you can see here that you see here Rise with SLERF donation program. So they're doing a donation on LBank, and they raise here a 3011 Solana. And even if you go to the website, you will see here it goes up now to 3,527 Solana, and this is the address if you want to donate. You see here refund address, custodian is LBank. So if you want to help the projects, that's your decision. You can send money here to donate to help the guys with the pre-sale. Like this, they're gonna get some money from the money they send, and the dev did a mistake and burn everything. So guys, I'm trying to share with you everything I find here. Like this, you're not gonna miss anything. And I'm gonna try to do some updates on Book of Meme later tonight or tomorrow. Like this, you will have the most update about these meme coins. And thank you guys. If you like this video, don't hesitate to like and subscribe. Like this, you will be the first one to know about any new coin or meme coin, to get an opportunity and participate and maybe make some money. And guys, I'm sharing with you the meme coins or the coins that I'm participating in. I'm just like giving random like things, or just trying to get some views or anything. I'm trying to help here myself and help you guys to make some money. So like I said, if you like this video, share and subscribe, and like this video please. And thank you for everything. Have a good day, guys. Thank you.